will explain the definition of main idea. The main idea of a paragraph is the author message about the topic. It is often expressed directly or it can be implied. Maybe it will be easy to understand if main idea is most important though about the topic. Topic is the person, place, being, or idea being written about.
What are supporting details? Supporting details are example and extra information that help you understand the main idea completely. Jadi, supporting details adalah informasi tambahan yang membantu untuk memahami gagasan utama. The second definition supporting details answer the question who, why, how, what, when, and where, and they are also known as support of detail. Jadi, supporting details ini membantu kita untuk menjawab pertanyaan yang berunsurkan 5W1H. And the next definition of supporting details provide specific information such as example, description, and explanation. Jadi, supporting details itu memberikan informasi yang lebih spesifik, seperti memberikan contoh, memberikan deskripsi atau gambaran, serta memberikan penjelasan tentang topik yang dibahas. What for do we need supporting details? Jadi, untuk apa sih kita membutuhkan supporting details? The first, to get a better picture of story. Jadi, untuk mendapatkan gambaran yang lebih baik. The second, to give more information. Jadi, untuk memberikan informasi yang lebih. Number 3, to help reader answer question about the topic or main idea. Jadi, untuk membantu pembaca menjawab pertanyaan tentang gagasan utama atau main idea. And the last, to develop and support the main idea of the paragraph. Jadi, kita membutuhkan supporting details untuk mengembangkan atau membangun gagasan utama atau main idea dalam suatu paragraf. Supporting detail process. Jadi di dalam supporting details itu pasti ada proses-prosesnya. The first, identify topic. Jadi kita harus menentukan topiknya terlebih dahulu. The second, identify what the author saying about the topic. Jadi kita harus menentukan apa topik yang sedang dibahas oleh penulis. And the last, identify details that support or explain the main idea. Jadi kita harus menentukan rincian-rincian yang mendukung atau menjelaskan tentang gagasan utama tersebut.
Here I will explain about main idea, giving a place and explanation about main idea, and supporting detail from the article about economics. Slide 2. Supporting details from the verb of the main idea. What are they here? Homeless people have many problems. In winter it is hard to stay warm and it is too hot. In summer it is also hard to keep things safe without a home. Rest in the less of privacy. Next, after writing down the main idea and the topic stands, the writer needs to provide question that supporting the idea with supporting details. Jadi, setelah menuliskan gagasan pokok dan kalimat topik, penulisan perlu memberikan pertanyaan-pertanyaan yang mendukung gagasan tersebut dengan detail pendukung. Quoting Costa collects details, including manager and minor, can support the main idea by showing how, what, when, where, why, and how many. Mengutip Costa collects, detail termasuk manager dan minor dapat mendukung gagasan utama dengan menunjukkan bagaimana, apa, kapan, di mana, mengapa, dan bagaimana, berapa banyak. So, surprising detail are also supporting stance that are pleasant after or before playing an idea. Jadi, detail pendukung biasanya merupakan kalimat pendukung yang diletakkan setelah sebelum penerimaan ide. Next, by knowing what and where the main idea, topic, stance, and supporting details are, we will better understand and many of the text we read. In addition, by reading there things in many is that the reader is careful in organizing is thought into our breathing on. Dengan mengetahui tersebut akan bisa mengetahui dan memahami bagaimana kita menentukan main ide dan menjadi sebuah tulisan. Next, explain suppressing details. Contoh dari pendukung atau main idea ini. Contoh yang pertama yaitu step atau langkah. Faktanya resource. Yang kedua, definition atau definisi. Faktanya description. Yang ketiga, comprehension. Dan faktanya contracts. Next, supporting details. Homeless people have many problems. In winter it is hard to stay warm and is give to help. In summer it is also hard to keep things safe without a home. What is the less of privacy? The supporting details and in both there are there. Point 2, supporting the topic sentence many idea. Jadi detail pendukung dicetak tebal, ada poin untuk mendukung ketiga topik atau gagasan utama tersebut.
Okay, I'm Celeste Rahayu. Now I have a question about main idea. First question. Congratulations, you have been offered a job. The time has come to negotiate your salary. The question to ask yourself is, how much am I worth? Your answer will likely affect the outcome of your salary negotiation. The point is, in order to negotiate the best possible salary, you must convince both yourself and the employer of the value that you will bring to the job. This third main idea of this paragraph is, I give you 10 seconds from now to answer. The answer is D. Kenapa menjawab D? Karena main idea adalah inti dari bacaan. Nah, intinya apa? Intinya adalah itu, ada tulisannya the point is. Berarti itu adalah inti dari bacaan paragraf tersebut. Okay. Next question. Okay. Second questions. There are gender differences in adolescents' satisfaction with their bodies. Compared with boys, girls are usually less happy with their bodies and have more negative body images. Also, as puberty proceeds, girls often become even more satisfied with their bodies. This is probably because their body fat increases. In contrast, boys become more satisfied as they move through puberty, probably because there is muscle mass increases. The third main idea of this paragraph is, I'll give you 10 seconds from now to answer. Okay, the answer is A. Mengapa A? Karena intinya adalah perbedaan dari gender atau jenis kelamin wanita dan pria. Perbedaannya apa? Dari perbedaan segi fisik ya, segi fisiknya itu wanita itu gak percaya diri karena apanya, dan lelaki itu karena apanya. Dan biasanya wanita karena tubuhnya, sedangkan lelaki karena kumisnya gitu. Itu intinya dari nomor 2. Oke.